Think of a game of chess. Now imagine playing against a grandmaster. They're not trying to lose. They're analyzing your every move, looking for weaknesses. That's red teaming. Red teaming is like a security checkup for companies and organizations. But instead of doctors, we have ethical hackers. They act like the bad guys to find and fix vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities could be anything from weak passwords to software glitches. Red teamers use their skills to exploit these weaknesses, just like real attackers would. By doing this, they help organizations understand their weak points and make them stronger. Ethical hackers are the heroes of the cybersecurity world. They use their hacking skills for good, not evil. They have a deep understanding of computer systems, networks, and software, and they use this knowledge to find and fix security flaws. But unlike malicious hackers, ethical hackers work with permission. They are hired by organizations to test their defenses and improve their security posture. It's like having a security guard who can think like a thief. They know all the tricks and can help you stay one step ahead. Let me tell you about a time when red teaming saved the day. A large bank hired a team of ethical hackers to test their security. The red team discovered a vulnerability that could have allowed attackers to access customer accounts. They reported it to the bank, who then fixed the issue. In another case, red teamers were able to physically infiltrate a secure facility. They used social engineering techniques like impersonation and persuasion to gain access. This highlighted the importance of physical security measures in addition to cybersecurity. Red teaming is not just about computers, it's about the entire security ecosystem. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. We rely on computers and networks for everything from banking to communication to healthcare. Cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated. Hackers are constantly finding new ways to exploit vulnerabilities and steal data. Red teaming helps organizations stay ahead of the curve. By simulating real-world attacks, they can identify and fix weaknesses before they are exploited. It's like having a security system that is constantly being tested and improved. Red teaming helps to ensure that our digital fortresses are as strong as possible. Section 5. Skills for Success. The Red Teamer's Toolkit. Becoming a successful red teamer requires a unique set of skills. It's not just about knowing how to hack, it's about thinking like an attacker. Red teamers need to be creative and resourceful. They need to be able to think outside the box and come up with innovative ways to exploit vulnerabilities. They also need to have excellent communication skills. They need to be able to clearly explain their findings to both technical and non-technical audiences. Other important skills include network security, web application security, social engineering, physical security. Section 6. Tools of the Trade. A glimpse into the ethical hacker's arsenal. Ethical hackers use a variety of tools to help them find and exploit vulnerabilities. These tools can range from simple command line utilities to sophisticated software suites. Some common tools used by red teamers include Nmap, a network scanner that can be used to identify devices and services on a network. Metasploit, a penetration testing framework that provides a wide range of exploits and payloads. Burp Suite, a web application security testing tool that can be used to intercept and modify web traffic. Section 7. Legal and ethical boundaries, staying on the right side of the law. It's crucial to remember that ethical hacking has boundaries. There's a fine line between ethical hacking and illegal activities. Ethical hackers always operate with permission from the organization they are testing. They have a clear scope of work and are transparent about their methods. They also respect data privacy and confidentiality. They understand the sensitivity of the information they may have access to and handle it with care. Operating within these legal and ethical boundaries is crucial for maintaining trust and credibility as a red teamer. Section 8. The future of red teaming, evolving threats, evolving defenses. As technology advances, so too do the methods of cybercriminals. Red teaming must evolve alongside these threats to remain effective. We're seeing an increase in sophisticated attacks, like those using artificial intelligence and machine learning. Red teamers need to adapt their techniques to counter these advanced threats. The future of red teaming will also involve a greater focus on automation and collaboration. Tools and platforms that enable more efficient testing and knowledge sharing will be essential. Section 9. Conclusion: embrace the challenge, fortify your defenses. Red teaming is a vital component of a robust cybersecurity strategy. By thinking like the enemy, we can better defend ourselves. Whether you're a seasoned security professional or just starting out, I encourage you to learn more about red teaming. It's a challenging and rewarding field that plays a critical role in making our digital